Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. Guys, today I'm harvesting my sweet potatoes. I've tried to grow sweet potatoes for 2 years and I've failed, and I think this year I've make it. But this morning I came, my sweet potatoes were fine. This evening I came, the animal have started digging it. It's late already, but I have to dig these sweet potatoes. I just need to share this video with you guys because some of my old viewers that has been here for years knew that I failed last year to have sweet potato because I think I was growing the wrong varieties for zone 6, because zone 6 is colder, so it doesn't have a long season to grow sweet potatoes. So you need to grow a specific kind of sweet potatoes for you to have a good harvest. So this evening it's getting dark, but I need to dig those sweet potatoes because there's too much car noise here. If I let them be overnight, I will not have nothing because they were fine this morning and now they have dig a lot of it. So I need to dig them right now. Keep watching, guys. I'll start by, these are the sweet potatoes. I have sweet potatoes in 2 different places, some up there, but guys, the one up there I think is completely eaten. This one down here, they just started eating it today. I need to harvest it this night. So I'll start by harvesting some of the green so I can have the clear view. The chicken are gonna have fish today. There's so much green for them. I'm so excited about this year because I think I have sweet potatoes in here and I don't want to lose everything. These leaves can be eaten, guys. It's a very good vegetable to eat. But I'm going to feed my chicken. This is where I found out they are eating this particular one. This one, they are eating this one. So we're going to start pulling from this one. It might not be even mature, but look what they are doing. You see, they are eating all my potatoes on the ground. Guys, my first big potatoes for 2 years. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness, like me finally grew potatoes this big. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Look at that. They have been eating it. I don't even know. I have to be careful. My goodness. Me grow potatoes this big. Guys. I have to be careful. I can't believe. And I planted this one late. I planted these potatoes like end of June. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I think this is the orange one, the one that the inside is orange. This is the regular American potatoes. Wow, guys, me grow sweet potatoes this big. I have to be careful not to be destroying them. Wow, this is like a dream. Wow. I think that one is from the different plants. Oh my goodness. This one is soft here. crushing the potatoes. Just a tiny one. Wow. I think that's it for that one. I didn't plant much in this place. This place I planted like other 4 or 6. Ooh, there's another big one here. I have to be. Look at that. Look at that. Oh Lord. Be careful not to damage them. There's so much noise going on here. Yep. I live close to the street. There's always cars. Oh, my center leaf. Oh my God, I throw a center leaf seed here. It never grew, but now right now I'm seeing one plant. Oh Lord. In here. Whew. I can't believe I finally grew sweet potatoes. One is right under this raised bed. Oh, break it. Oh, I've break this one is huge. Oh, it went right under the raised bed. Right under the raised bed. Oh, there, where's my... Oh. And Ohio soil is clay, so when this thing goes like that's a half one. Hey, I'm not doing well harvesting here. I'm warning them too much. They're not going to stop for long. Another one. Wow. Oh, then go past the raised bed. Oh my goodness. This one is so deep. Oh, I'll break it. Oh, I'm not doing a good job harvesting all these sweet potatoes. I keep breaking them. Keep breaking them into two. Have one that's in here and it just break. I think I planted 2 types here. There's another one that is white. So this is two plants. I normally harvest my sweet potatoes like the 2nd week of October, but because animals are eating it, I have to harvest them early. Oh, there was. So I saw one here. Yeah, there's one here. Oh, it's a tiny one. I think this one might be one of the whites. Woohoo! Yeah, it is. It is, guys. Woohoo! It is. Look at this one here. Have to be careful not to break it. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Finally, I grew sweet potatoes. Ooh. Beautiful. Wow. Woohoo. Yeah. I think the white one needed more time, but I'm so grateful that I can even have something. Last year I just have rope. Last year this is how they were looking, this tiny. Don't leave sweet potatoes in here. The white one just stays in one place, like just bundled up in one place. I think this is the second white one. I think there were two white, two orange. What I realized, the white one just grows in a bunch. I think they needed more time, but what can I do? Oh my God, I can't believe it's me that grows sweet potato that big, this big. This one is huge. I'll break it again. Oh, Karen, look at this one. Oh, it's big, huge. Keep breaking the sweet potatoes. It's not good. I'm not gonna store for long. The orange one, the roots. Oh, if I could have more time, this sweet potato would do a lot much better. Like the white one needed more time to grow, to mature. Oh God, I keep breaking it. Guys, I'm done harvesting for down here. This is what we got down here. This is our harvest. I break this one off, and we have, oh my God, guys, last year the biggest one was like this. Because I was growing the wrong one, the Japanese one, the Korean sweet potatoes, so it wasn't good for this state. Look at that. This one I bought it from my local garden store. I bought it like the plants, and you were just 4 plants that I bought. If I knew they would do, I should have bought a lot. But look how humongous that thing is. This is the orange sweet potato. Look at this white one. Guys, I can't believe it's me that grew all these potatoes. Right now I'm gonna go harvest at the one at the back of the house. I have more sweet potatoes there. That one I don't even know if I'll have anything, because the animal have eaten it until it even all the leaves of the sweet potatoes. I can't believe it. One of my viewer asked me a question that the animal don't eat my plant. Guys, they do. They do. It's just that animals eat more plants that are under the ground than plants that grow up. When plants grow up, they have the animal don't access it very easily than plants that grow under the ground. When I harvested my regular potato, they were eating the potatoes too because they grow underground, so they can access it very easily. But vegetable, they don't access it because it grows upward. They will eat some of it. Like remember when I was harvesting my tomato, they were eating it. So animal will access more things that are under the ground than things that are up. Yeah, they will eat ones that are the up, but it takes time for them. But they will access the ones that goes down the ground. I don't know if that's the proper way of saying it. Yeah, like tubers, things that produce tubers under the ground, they will access that very easily. They do eat it. You see, I came here this morning, my sweet potatoes were fine. By evening, they have started eating it. They will eat everything. You will know, sometimes you will not even have nothing that you can harvest from your plants. Yeah, if I didn't catch it by tomorrow, they will eat nearly half of my potatoes here. So at least I've harvested. Look at that. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's me that have all these sweet potatoes. Yeah, so we're going to harvest the sweet potatoes at the back of my house. Keep watching, guys. This is where I have the other potatoes. This is the next day. I could not continue the other day because rain started falling and the weather was ridiculous. But this is where I have my other potatoes, where I planted my corn, my African corn. They're the tallest corn that I've ever seen. They are taller than my house. They are more than these corn are more than 16 feet tall. Yes, look at that. It's so tall. Yeah, so these are the other potatoes. I have 2 beds right here, and then I have some in the containers. You see, some of the leaves have been eaten. There's holes everywhere, so I'm going to try to see if there's anything under there. If the animal have not eaten everything, they might have already eaten everything. Yeah, they have eaten everything here. So let's see what will come out of this place. This bed, they have just dig everything out. Everything is out. Everything. See, they have eaten everything. Look, I don't think there's much here. There's nothing. They have eaten everything on this bed. Everything. Yeah. I have this other bed here. They have been eating it under. Yeah, they have been eating everything under under the bed. So yeah, this is ridiculous. And I think this particular bed have the Korean sweet potatoes. The Korean sweet potatoes does not do well in this zone. See, it's just the rope. Well, I wanted to try one more time here to see if you do well, but nothing here, nothing to harvest on this bed. This is nothing. See, it's still like last year. See that? I wanted to try one more time. Yep, nothing. Nothing here. See? Because I need a longer period to grow, so it's giving me the same size like last year. The same size. Still the same thing. This is the biggest one so far. Yep. It's amazing that the other one I harvested last year lasted until July this year. You guys won't believe it. Those little sweet potatoes lasted. They store so well. Yeah. Look at that. This one did well. Look, this is the biggest one I found here. Whoa. This is big. Guys, there's nothing. This is waste of time here. Nothing. They've eaten everything up there. I have 4 containers here. I don't know if they have get in the containers too and eaten everything in there. I have this container right here. And I have 4 of the big containers right here. Let's try and see if there's anything in there. Guys, there's even hole inside the container. It shows that this was waste of my time up here. Yeah. There's nothing. Yeah. This is waste of time. I can't believe the potatoes I planted early did not do well. Even if a little that it did, the animal ate it. Then the potato I planted late is the one that gave me big potatoes. This is crazy. I'm gonna dump this. Dump this. Look at that. It's all rope. Nothing. This is ridiculous. Nothing. I'm just gonna leave the other containers. Maybe the animals are getting in there too. I've dumped another container, and this is this is what is in the other thing that's coming out. It's just this is just 2 from that container. Guys, in this up garden, this is how much I got. So disappointed. I've not harvested 2 containers. I'm just gonna let them be just this amount. All this was from the garden. This one came from all the harvest at the side garden. They are the one that gave me the biggest potatoes I've ever harvested. See, this one I damaged it, I break it. Huge potatoes that I harvest down there. Huge. Look at that. Yeah, he gave me a lot of huge potatoes, huge down there, but up here is ridiculous. So that's my harvest. Let me just say, this is my harvest this year for potatoes. This is a blessing, guys, because last year that's how they were looking. This amount, look at comparing to this. You see the size different. So I'm so lucky I planted potatoes at the side garden. I'm so blessed. If I didn't do it, I would not have potatoes. So look how much he gave me. I'm so blessed. I'm so excited, guys, that I could have this size of potatoes this year. That's an improvement. I'm so grateful. Yeah. Thank you guys for spending some time with me. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe or hit the notification bell. If you're new here, welcome to Karen's Garden. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for keep watching, for keep coming back. Thank you guys so much. There's mosquito everywhere. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh my goodness. Oh, guys, this is a lot. This is my first time having this much.